SIEM stands for Security Information and Event Management. It helps organizations collect, analyze, and monitor security logs from multiple devices. SIEM gathers logs from different sources and combines them into one centralized platform. Security analysts use SIEM tools to detect threats, investigate incidents, and respond quickly to cyber attacks. Popular SIEM platforms include Splunk, IBM Cradar, Microsoft Sentinel, ArcSight, and LogRhythm. SIEM tools improve visibility, enhance threat detection, and help security teams protect critical systems. Learning SIEM is one of the most important skills for anyone pursuing a SOC analyst career.